Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS GA503R. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. A cracked screen is a common issue for many laptop users. It can happen due to accidental drops, pressure on the screen, or even temperature changes. If left unattended, a cracked screen can worsen, leading to further damage and potentially impacting the internal components of your device. Addressing this issue promptly is crucial to avoid more costly repairs down the line. For this repair, you'll need a few tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD cover specific to the ASUS GA503R. Now, let's get started with the repair process. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen, which will create a gap for the spudger to slide in. Carefully insert the spudger into the gap around the screen bezel, taking care not to damage any internal components. As you work your way around, be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. Once you've loosened the bezel, gently remove it and set it aside. Now, you should see the LCD panel. To locate the faulty component, examine the screen for any visible cracks or damage. Once identified, you'll need to disconnect the display cable by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. Be cautious here, apply only a light force to avoid damaging the connector. After that, remove the screws securing the LCD panel. These are usually small Phillips screws, so be sure to keep them safe. Lift the damaged panel out and carefully place the new LCD cover in its place. Secure it by replacing the screws you just removed. Now, reconnect the display cable, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Before reassembling the bezel, it's wise to power on your laptop to check if the new screen is functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything looks good, you can now reattach the bezel. Align it carefully and press down firmly until it clicks back into place. Finally, give your laptop a thorough check to ensure everything is secure and functioning as it should. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider using a protective case or sleeve for your laptop. Always handle your device with care, and avoid placing heavy items on top of it. Regularly inspect your laptop for any signs of wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.